So, you have a brilliant product idea and you're ready to take the plunge into the world of Amazon selling. Congratulations! But before you dive in headfirst, it's crucial to understand the intricacies of launching your product on the world's largest online marketplace. That's where AMZ Product Launcher comes in. Understanding the basics. Launching a product on Amazon involves more than just listing it and waiting for sales to roll in. It requires careful planning, strategic execution, and a deep understanding of Amazon's algorithms and best practices. As a new seller, navigating this process can be overwhelming, which is why having a reliable partner like AMZ Product Launcher can make all the difference. Finding your first product. One of the biggest hurdles for new sellers is finding the right product to sell on Amazon. With millions of products already available, how do you choose one that will stand out and attract customers? AMZ Product Launcher offers comprehensive guidance and resources to help you identify profitable product opportunities based on market trends, competition analysis, and customer demand. Optimizing your listing. Once you've found your product, the next step is to create an optimized listing that will grab the attention of potential buyers. This involves crafting compelling product titles, detailed descriptions, high-quality images, and strategic keywords. AMZ Product Launcher provides expert advice and proven strategies to ensure that your listing is fully optimized for maximum visibility and conversion. Launching your product. The launch phase is where the magic happens. With AMZ Product Launcher's proprietary launch strategies, you can generate buzz around your product, drive traffic to your listing, and secure those all-important initial sales. Whether it's through targeted advertising, influencer partnerships, or promotional campaigns, we'll help you create a launch plan that sets you up for long-term success. Scaling your business. As your Amazon business grows, so do the challenges and opportunities. AMZ Product Launcher is here to support you every step of the way. Whether you're looking to expand your product line, optimize your operations, or explore new marketplaces. Our goal is to help you build a sustainable and profitable Amazon business that stands the test of time. Launching your product on Amazon is just the beginning of your e-commerce journey, and with the right guidance and support, success is within reach. At AMZ Product Launcher, we're committed to helping new sellers like you navigate the complexities of Amazon selling and achieve your goals. So, why wait? Take the first step towards success today with AMZ Product Launcher by your side. For more detailed guidance, resources, and personalized support to launch and grow your Amazon business, don't hesitate to visit us and we can help you find your first product and help launch it on Amazon. You can also simply Google AMZ Product Launcher to find us. We're here to help you navigate every step of your Amazon selling journey. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, your successful Amazon journey starts here at AMZ Product Launcher.